What if I told you that love, once vibrant and alive, could be reignited like a flickering candle? This is the promise of Pray the Romance Back, a revolutionary guide designed to help couples rediscover the passion that once defined their relationships. In a world where distractions abound and life's demands can dull even the brightest flames, many find themselves asking, how do we bring back that spark? Imagine Sarah and Tom, who after 5 years of marriage felt more like roommates than lovers. Their conversations had dwindled to logistical discussions about bills and chores, leaving no room for intimacy. Desperate for change, they stumbled upon Pray the Romance Back. With its practical exercises and heartfelt prayers, they embarked on a journey of renewal. Within weeks, they reported a transformation. Laughter filled their home again, and stolen moments became the norm rather than the exception. Or consider Mark and Lisa, who were on the brink of separation. Their love story had become a series of misunderstandings and silent treatments. After integrating the techniques from Pray the Romance Back, they began to communicate more openly, sharing their fears and desires. Their relationship not only survived, but thrived, with Mark stating, "It felt like we were dating again, and I didn't want to miss a second of it." The testimonials speak for themselves. Couples who once felt hopeless are now thriving, united by a renewed sense of purpose and connection. The unique selling point of this guide lies in its blend of spiritual and practical approaches, making it accessible to anyone yearning for change. Don't let your love story fade into memory. Take action now. For a limited time, Pray the Romance Back is available at a special discount along with exclusive bonus materials designed to enhance your journey. Don't wait. Your romance deserves a second chance, and this opportunity won't last forever.